Let's take a moment in meditation together and just breathe in. Breathe in our practice. Breathe in our becoming. Take a moment just to let it sift through, to shake it out, to go straight to headquarters, to let go of any beliefs, any thoughts that no longer serve our highest good, that no longer align with the light and the love we know God to be. Sweet Spirit within us, among us, show us. Show us how to walk the walk of awakening to our own divinity, so that we may be evidence of God for others. So that we may express our source to our fullest capacity. That we may bring a quickening of love to each moment, to each being, to each situation we come across. Make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Let me be the activity of my source. Taking a deep inhale and exhale, we consciously release. We begin to subtract from the idea of seeing in parts that can be divided. We subtract and get back to one. There is one power and one presence. God, the good omnipotence. Give me eyes that see and ears that hear. In the silence. breathing into this moment. We allow our attention to come back to the here and now. Inhaling and exhaling. We are awake. We are aware. Breathe into the freedom within. Grounded and rooted. We are home in this holy moment, in the sacrament of the presence. And so it is.